Hello everyone, welcome to the Python programming series and update. All right, now let's see the typecasting here. What is the typecasting? The typecasting is nothing but very simple. Okay, converting data from one type to another type, guys. Okay, sir, I don't understand what is the converting data to one type to another type. Say you have some data, you want to convert, from one data type to another data type. That means what? Say you have the 100. Okay, 100 is integer, but you want to convert that into string. Yes, you can convert that. And you have the a floating number, you want to convert that into integer. Yes, you can convert that. So if you want to convert from integer to string, string to float, float to something else, yes, it is possible. In Python you can do like the typecasting here. Okay, you can use the typecasting here. Let's see here. We have the int string float, right? So x is equal to 100. See, whenever you see this x is equal to quotation 100, this is a whatever is there in the quotation, it is a string. We know it. Okay, it can be number, it can be something else, but it is treated as a string only. Okay, it is treated as a string only. Okay, now if you want to convert this into integer, so it is not a integer, it is a string. It is not a number, it is a string value. Okay, so if you want to convert this into a number, actual number of 100, so you can do like this: y is equal to int of x. That means which type of data you want to convert. I want to convert into integer. Yes, you can convert into int of x. That means this is going to convert this string to integer variable. Okay, now when you do this print y plus 50, thus y is equal to already converted value 100 is there. Okay, that is a number. Now here is a number 100 plus 50 is equal to 150. Now when it's come to the a is equal to 5, you want to convert into the string. Okay, so yes, print b plus 0. So 5 plus 5 is already a string. Okay, now I'm appending to the 0. 5 plus 0, it is not a string, it is so it is not an integer, it is a string. Okay, now 5 as it is printed, 0 as it is printed, because both are strings. Okay, now when it's come to the float, c is equal to float of 10.5. Okay, print c plus 2.5. So now it is going to print 13.0 like this. So let us try this. Let us try this how it is going to work, the typecasting one. Now let's see. Yep. Let me go ahead and use this typecasting. Okay, typecasting. Yes. So example, I have the x is equal to 100, right? X is equal to 100, which is in a double quotation. All right. Now I want to convert this into which one, sir? I want to convert this into y is equal to int of x. So now the value is converted. Value is converted. The x is converted to the integer variable. Now you can print it. Print of. So y plus 50. Y plus 50. So what is the value here? Now it is going to be 150. Yes, it's printed. Okay. So now it's not possible to combine your integer variable to the string variable. So it's not possible. Now we can do other exercise. A is equal to 5. A is equal to 5. Now what next here? B is equal to str. You want to convert into string variable, right? String. I want to convert this into e is equal to string. Now what I'll do? Print, print, print. So I can use b plus b is already string. B is already a string. So now I want to use this 0 string and print it. Now 5 plus 0. It is a string. This is a string. 5 as is printed. 0 as is printed. It won't combine. Yes, 50 as printed. Right. The same way I can use the c is equal some example 10.5. Okay. Some d is equal to float of c. Float of c. Now print this. Print. Okay. C plus d example 2.5. Now this value, sorry, I'm sorry. I have to use like this. Yes. C is a string variable. Okay. Now I converted this into the float variable, and then I'm adding this d value. D 10.5. It is a decimal value plus 2.5. Okay. Total 13.0. Yes, 13.0 as printed. So this is how you can do the type conversion, guys. Okay. You can do the type conversion.